Hello, friends and family, and welcome back. Today, I am going to be making a quick vegan ramen stir fry. Now, if you like vegetables and you like ramen noodles, you're going to love this one. We're hungry, so come on into my kitchen and let's get cooking. So we finally finished making this ramen noodle stir fry. Oh my goodness.
My mouth is watering.
This is the quick, the easy, the cheapy way to do a stir fry. I'm telling you guys. Let's see what this thing tastes like here.
This is good.
If you now I packed a little heat on top of mine. On top of that little red pepper flakes. We have a little bit of the 2-time spicy sauce. And we like it. So Alana's really not accustomed to heat. So she just trying to eat it because grandma eat it. But
I ate it last time. And I eat spicy stuff at home all the time.
okay, we'll see. I didn't used to eat very much heat, but being married to a Jamaican, Jamaica may eat some spicy food. Y'all like that? And you know what I do when I make them? This is my quick, easy go-to meal. I use whatever vegetables I got in the refrigerator. In the freezer. I take them out, rinse them off, throw them right on over in there. And listen to this. Cause y'all really crying. Vegetables crunchy. I don't know if y'all can hear the knock on my mic. Okay, pepper got me back in the throat. I love it. While I was saying, my mic isn't that good, so probably can't hear crunchy vegetables, but I love the crunchy vegetables. I don't like them overcooked. You know, in the South, we had a bad habit of overcooking our vegetables. I like them crunchy. We got some cranberry juice that we're drinking just tonight. And I got my bubble cup on deck. Might have to cool some things down. I put a blend of carrots, snow peas, broccoli, and water chestnut. That was a medley that I caught my throat, sorry. Y'all hear those carrots crunching? And I use spinach. You saw me put that in there. And the water chestnuts. I love water chestnuts because they're so crunchy. Love those things. But, and I threw sesame seeds on top.
if that's not what you like, you put on what you like. The vegetables that you like to eat. Not only that, cook them the way you like them. Now, if you don't like them crunchy, set the top on and let them steam a little bit. And doesn't make a pretty dish. It's a pretty dish. Now, I'm just going to let y'all in on a little secret. Won't any of this be left for tomorrow? There will be no leftovers. Because by the time everybody finishes, there won't be any left. Because everybody loves this. And I'm glad. Because I would say in less than, 15 minutes, you got a meal. Now I took some time to chop up my onions and garlic. If you don't want to do that, you can skip that part altogether if you want to. But I like, and then when I use the ramen noodles, the packet, I read the packet. Alana, you read the packet, didn't you, to see if there were any meat products or anything in the packet, in the noodles themselves. And there wasn't any in the noodles. I don't use the packets because those packets are loaded with sodium and really not good for you, at all. I make my own sauce, as you can see. And I add according to taste. I just add a little bit and then I'll taste a little bit. And then I add a little bit and I'll taste a little bit. And you can do the same. Make it like you want it. Everybody's taste buds are different. And that's how recipes are. How made. It's about people putting what they like in their food and tasting it and says, oh, that's good. Mm. Mm. So, I don't know what you all are up to, but I know on this end, we are getting ready to go back. Milana's getting ready to go back to school. Little Max is going back to school. And I am getting ready to go back to work. Yeah, I took a leave of absence from my job so that I could be home with my baby. I'm not really looking forward to going back to work. I'm going back to work because I need to. I like to shop a little bit for things. I got some projects that I'm working on. I'm redoing my office. So I got a few little things I want to purchase in there, and I don't want to have to, pinch my pennies in order to do that. I want to be able to shop freely for whatever it is I want, and I'm getting ready to redo my laundry room. So I'm going back to work so I can do those things in the fashion in which I like to do it. I don't want to have to. I'm not going to go out there and be foolish because I like to spend my money wisely, but at the same time, if it's a particular thing I want to be able to buy it without worrying about whether, I can afford this or that. So, Alana, how you feel about going back to school?
I'm ready.
Ready?
I wish that I was physically going, but I'm ready to go back.
All right. Alana, she's not going to be going back to school physically. She's going back, as she said, online. So she'll be going back home this weekend. I'm gonna miss her to pieces. She keeps me, not only she keeps me company, but big help. I can't jump around like I used to. Well, let me put it this way. I could, but I don't want to. So, do you miss your friends, huh? I guess that's a stupid question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You get to talk to them much on
A couple of them. I only talk to some of them through social media and stuff.
yeah. Well, I imagine it was really hard on you all because so abruptly you stopped school and you know no time really for preparation or anything. You just didn't go back.
And I like school, unlike many kids. I like school. And it gives me something to do. I get out the house. I like going to school. I don't understand how kids don't. I like to go to school. Or most of them be like, I don't like to go to school. But then during the summer, they're like, oh, I'm ready to go back. Because, you know, they're bored. So that I'm bored at home, it's just, you know, I kind of miss it.
We felt it when we couldn't go to work. Some of us. You know, so you were work from home and some people still working from home. I certainly wish I was because I'm not looking forward to going back out there exposing myself to who know what. Who knows what? I don't know. And the precautions that we're having to take. I said if we have to take all of these precautions, shouldn't we be inside? Oh, Lord. It was very scary when we first went back. But I don't know. You know, I'm just trusting in the Lord to take care of me just like He have always been. I'm trying not to crawl over in this bowl and get the second helping. Should we?
I mean, we can. I mean, I was just going to wait until we ended the video.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. How do you all feel about the children going back to school? Go down in the comments and let us know how you feel about all of this. We've heard rumors that they're going to shut down again in the fall, like in September and through November, those are times when they probably, you know, shut down again. There's so many people at this point that we know of that have gotten sick, and so I am definitely taking this stuff seriously. I'm not playing around, but thankfully, you know, everybody that I know has recovered, so we're thankful for that. Absolutely, you know, family members of ours, so we're glad to hear that. Well, enough about that. I know going back to work, I'm going to need quick and I'm going to need easy. And so this is one of those meals. It is absolutely delicious because you can flavor it to suit your own taste buds. And that's exactly what you do. Make it taste good for you and good to you and to your family. But these are just some ideas that I'm trying to bring you where your family can have quick and easy meals, but can have good meals, meatless meals. You know, even if you all are meat eaters, then think about maybe one day of the week having no meat and seeing if you can, you know, take some of the meat out of your diet to begin on a healthier path. So we thank you all so much. We appreciate you so much. If we've said anything that is helpful to you, then go ahead and do those 3 things that I ask you to do. Like, subscribe, and share, and leave us a comment. Number 4. We thank you again. You guys, please come and see us again, because believe you me, I'm going to be coming back and inviting you into my kitchen again. So you all go on about your day and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. We love you, and until next time, bye.
Bye.